Hello, friends. It's Mounjaro Monday. Time for the monthly update. Mounjaro Monday. Shot, 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 shot. It's upside down again. Shot, shot. So I got my hair done today. So I did a little trim, covered up the gray. And I always have her curl it because I cannot curl it myself. And as I was there, I was complaining about, like, I shouldn't be complaining, but now all of a sudden, so like this whole thing where they call it the Ozempic face, and I'm taking Mounjaro, but it's the same thing. You lose, most people, including myself, we lose weight in the top half or the top part, our face, and then it moves down. And so I'm currently like probably in the last 20 pounds, and my legs are finally, I didn't use my camera stand, sorry guys, but my legs are finally catching up. Funny, I was just listening to a new friend, Gina from Anchor Moments, and she just went to a doctor's appointment for something that I've been thinking about going to do, and that is to see if I have lymphedema, because I've always been bigger in the lower half and I get really tender skin. So I bruise easy, and I was like, oh, even like right now I have sporting another bruise on this side, but I've been doing some construction kind of work, moving stuff, so I know where I'm getting the bruises, but I tend to get bruises easy because I run a little low on iron sometimes. But the other thing that, not really so much the tenderness, but if like before, if a dog would run across my lap, it would hurt. So there's that kind of tenderness, but I get these, like, let's see if I can show you. So in the saggy arms, if you feel in the part that hangs down, and it feels like kind of like rice, like little round pieces of kind of like little fat. Oh yeah, and then you just like move them around. That, I looked online, and that was like a sign of it. And in my legs, I get varicose veins, and I did have a vein ablation probably when I was like 45, somewhere between 45, 40, yeah, probably 45. And so they killed one of the big veins with radio frequency. And the reason why you get those varicose veins is the valve in the veins does not close all the way, so the blood goes both directions at the same time. So you have like this freeway effect of blood going this way, blood going that way, and you get a bulge. So that is one of my problems, and I have even more in, like, I have like this Y that goes over my right knee, and then a little bit on the side. I had to wear compression hoses after that surgery, and I was a lot heavier. It's probably close to 300, and it was not fun trying to get compression hoses on. They had to special order them. So I'm still kind of like not looking forward to doing that. So that is one thing though that I need to check into. And the other thing I was complaining about though was like how, because of the fat pads that go down whenever you lose weight, I'm like, wow, it looks like I have puffy eyes, and then I have the saggy skin. I've had the saggy skin, it runs in my family, but I'm just wondering if I can get insurance to do like the eyelid surgery. We'll see. Lots of things to do and catch up on. So I wanted to let you know, so I was at Costco today, and after work, and I had a lot of other things that I had to get done. So checked on the dog, got him inside, took care of one of my grandsons who's here sick, and I went to Costco because my Mounjaro was ready to pick up. So I was excited because it took probably a week this time. Last week it was like 2 weeks behind, and if you, you'll see that I open up a new box. Well, that was my box that I have like ahead. So what I do is I submit my renewals every 3 weeks. My insurance allows me to renew on the 21st day, or yeah. And so that 3 weeks, so that I can gain a week each time. So in the past, they've always had my medicine, and so I was able to every month. So I've been on Mounjaro 10 milligrams since January, and so yeah, this is starting my 7th month on 10 milligrams. So because I've been on the same milligrams, I've been able to stock up. So I just opened up a new box, and I just got a new one. So I'm still 4 weeks ahead in case we have another problem with the shortage. So that's good. And then while I was there, I was out of the Fairlife, which, let me show you the Fairlife. Get this big box, 30 grams of protein. And then I tried these, and I like them. It's good to get a protein snack every once in a while, especially when I don't have, like, I'm in between and I don't have time to go eat, which today I was having that experience. Oh yeah, because I had my hair done. So after work, came here, checked on the dogs, and then since I only had to do the roots and there wasn't a lot to do, it was like 2 hours or a little bit less than 2 hours. And so this one has 10 grams of protein, 100 calories, and it's from grass-fed and finished beef. I don't know what that means by finished, but it's all the stick without the ick. It's not that oily kind, so I really like these. Yeah, good little protein snack. I think it's good to have those. And those are some of the things I wanted to share with you. I'm going to add in, this is July 1st. So I'm going to show you the graphics, but okay, so I'm inserting an image from this morning's weigh-in compared to June 1st. So July 1st versus June 1st. You're going to see a big surprise. I'm like shocked. Beginning of the month weigh-in. It is June 1st, and we're at 188.2 pounds. Oh my gosh, this is this morning, 10 pounds down. So this is probably going to be a big, so let's say May was a really good weight loss month. I don't usually lose as much as I did. Every once in a while, actually April is always a good month too. Oh no, sorry, June. June was a good, so April was a good month. May was okay. I kind of maintained a lot, but it still went down, not as much. And then June was a really good month. So maybe that means July won't be as good. Kind of surprised myself. I got lower than my husband by a couple of pounds now. But, sometimes your weight goes up whenever you start adding in some carbs. And, I don't know if my goal weight's going to be like 160 or 150. Still haven't really decided on that. I just want to see what my body does. But, I'm like 20 to 30 pounds away from that. So we'll see. All right, so I'm going to insert that and show you what I've been up to. Kind of just been doing a lot of like physical work and prepping for painting. And today I just got back this evening with trimming a tree at my daughter's house, and just doing a lot of little things, trying to get a house ready that needs to be put up that is going to go up for rent. And so we're pushing this week and next week. So it's a late video. It's almost 11 o'clock at night, and my bedtime is 10:30. So we are going to cut this now and show you all the things. Water aerobics. Have a great week, you guys. And happy Independence Day. Thank you to all of our servicemen and women. Thank you to all those who have served to make our country free, to give us these rights that we have. It's Mounjaro Monday, and I have a filter on because I haven't even gotten ready yet. But I'm doing this early in the morning, brand new box. So we're gonna open it up. I know these are worth gold. Lily. And last week we did the left arm. Today we're doing the right arm. And it's before work, so we're gonna be in a hurry. So we're gonna take off the plunger. And last week with the left arm, there was a lot of appetite suppression. Well, mainly, like I had a lot of weight loss this last month, and especially this last week. So we'll see how this one goes. Usually the left side of my body seems to do better than the right side. So far, that's what I'm noticing. So we're gonna go ahead and take it from the lock to the unlock. Just gonna reach around, push. Ooh, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got the plunger. A little bit of redness. It's prepping time for painting, cleaning off the doors with just some good degreasing Kirkland brand soap and water, hot water. And it's a hot day in the place we live, Bakersfield. And if you like this content, please